Good afternoon, dear students. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon, everyone. Right. Uh, we are discussing here this lesson. Our lesson is square root.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Square root. We have discussed little bit of that lesson. How to find square root of a number using prime factors, right? We discussed that one. Finding square root of a number using prime factors. I'll revise a little bit. Here in this grade, in grade 8, we have to find square root of a perfect square. Perfect square means like the square of a positive number. Write this in your grade. Example, 2 times 2, 4. Like this number is called perfect square. The number taken by multiplying certain number by that number itself, we can have a perfect square, right? 1 multiplied by 1, 1 is 1. The 1 is a perfect square. By multiplying certain number by that number itself, we can have a perfect square. In this case, in this grade, we have to find square root of a perfect square, not the other numbers. There are so many numbers, but we have to learn how to find square root of a perfect square. Perfect square එක square root එක තමයි අපි හොයන්නේ. Perfect square root perfect square එකට පැහැදිලි root එකක් තියෙනවා. It's whole number. Always answer is a whole number, not a decimal or fraction of something. That's a special thing. In this grade, we have to find square root of a perfect square. Last week, we discussed how to find square root of a perfect square using prime factors, right? Using prime factors. First of all, you should know prime numbers. I think you know prime numbers. 2 is the first prime number. 3, 5, 7. Next prime number.
11.
11. Yes. Next one.
13.
13. Next one.
15.
15 is not a prime number.
70.
70.
70.
Yes, 70. Next one.
90.
90. Okay, like this we can write prime numbers. We want prime numbers. Remember these prime numbers. Ute, this is a way of identifying prime number. Prime number has only 2 factors. Prime number divisible by that number itself and 1. That's why 9 is not a prime number, because 9 divisible by 1, 9 divisible by 3, 9 divisible by 9. අංක 3කින් බෙදෙනවා නම් ඒක ප්‍රයිම් එකක් වෙන්න බෑ. හරි? අංක 2කින් විතරමයි ප්‍රයිම් නම්බර් එකක් බෙදෙන්නේ. මේ බලන්න, මේ ඕනම අංකයක් බෙදෙන්නේ අංක 2කින් විතරයි. That number itself and 1. ඔන්න ඕකයි prime numbers ඕන වෙනවා අපිට මේ square root කතන්දරේට. අපි බලමු number එක square root එක 625, right? Let's find square root of 625 using prime factors, right? First, write this 625 as product of prime numbers. Divide by prime numbers. 625 divided by first prime number if it is divisible. Can we divide this one by 2? Is it divisible by 2? This is
No.
no, not divisible by 2. Then we have to select next number. If it is divisible by 3, check whether that one divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 3? How to find it? If the digital root is 3 or 6 or 9, that's divisible by 3. Let's see. 2 plus 6, 8. 8
Sir.
plus 5, 13. Yeah. Oh. කියන්න පුතේ මොකක්ද ප්‍රශ්නයක්ද ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවද right then make a 2 will indivisible when it's not divisible by 2 and also not divisible by 3. Next prime number 5. 5 will indivisible. එතකොට 5 will divide කර 6 වලට 1 remaining. එතකොට මෙතෙන්ට 12 වෙනවා. 12 වලට 2 remaining. 25 වලට 5. Again by 5. 12 divided by 5 කියන්නේ 2. 25 වලට 5. Again by 5. 5. Then by 5. 1. After that, you separate this one into 2 groups. 2 by 2 groups. Couples හදනවා. Square root එකක් හදන්න නම් square එකක් හදා ගන්නවා පිස්සෙල්ලා. එතකොට මම square එකක් ලියනවා 5 squared into 5 squared. 5 squared දෙකක් තියෙනවා මේ. මෙතන 5 squared එකයි මෙතන 5 squared එකයි 5 squared දෙකයි. එතකොට square එකක root එක කියලා කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ පළවෙනි square එක ගත්තොත් මේකේ root එක කියන්නේ පුතේ මේ මුලනේ. මේ 5 squared එකේ මුල වෙන්නේ 5. root එක. Here 5 squared root is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 is the square root of 625. මේක තමයි අපි ගිය සතියේ ඩිස්කස් කරපු කතන්දරේ. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ තව එකක් මම කරලා පෙන්නන්නම් මේකේ 64 square root of 64. If we want square root of 64, we can divide 64 by prime number starting from first prime number 2. It is 32. Again by 2. 16. 16 divided by 2. 8. 8 divided by 2. 4. 4 divided by 2. 2. 2 divided by 2. 1. Then let's make couples. Let's make groups. 1, 2, 3. We can make 3 squared. That means 2 squared multiplied by another 2 squared multiplied by another 2 squared. ඔන්නෝම 2 squared. මේ squared එකකින් අපි root එක විතරක් ගන්නවා. 2 squared එකේ root එක 2. Here 2 squared root is 2. Here 2 squared its root is 2. 2 times 2 4. 4 times 2 8. Square root of 64 is 8. This is the way of finding the square root of a number. මෙන්න මේ ටික තමයි අපි ඩිස්කස් කරේ. හරිද? මතකද ළමයින්ට? පුළුවන්ද මේක හොයන්න දැන්? මේක අර prime numbers වල product එක ඕන වෙනවා. right මම එකක් දෙන්නම් කරන්න පුළුවන්ද බලන්න. right මෙන්න මේක try එකක් අපි එදා ලියාගත්තා නේද? finding square root of a number using prime factors කියලා.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have written down that.
Yes.
Okay, next don't want topic, same topic. You do this sum. I will give 196 square root of 196. Please find this one. square root of 196 using prime numbers?
Finish, sir.
What's the answer?
14.
14.
Four.
Yes. If your answer is 14, yes, very good. That's the answer.
14, sir.
Yes, 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 yes. Right, Darwani? අපි දැන් මේක බලමු.
Finish.
196. Let's divide by square root of 196. Let's divide 196 by prime numbers. This is divisible by 2. Answer is how many 2s for 19? It's 9. 9 for 18. This is 16, 8. Then by 2 again. What is that here for? 49. 49 is not divisible by 2, then not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5, then it is divisible by 7. Answer 7. Again by 7, 1. Then let's make groups like this. We want 2 squared, 7 squared. Let's take square root. මේ square එකේ root එක තමයි 2 squared එකේ root එක 2. 7 squared, its root is 7. Answer is 7 times 2, 14 is the answer, right? ඔන්න ඔහොමයි කතන්දර. දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ මෙන්න මේකේ හොයන්න සංගාල තව එකක් බලන්න. Square root of 900. Square root of 900.
Sir, ඒක එදා කරා.
900 කරාද?
Yes, sir.
Okay, තව එකක් දෙන්නම් එහෙනම්.
Yes, sir.
මෙන්න මේක කරන්න. Square root of 225. මේකත් කරාද?
No, sir.
Yes, okay. Start.
Finish, sir.
What's the answer?
15.
Yes, okay. Very good, very good. අනිත් අය try එකක් දෙන්න.
Finish, sir.
Right. Square root
Finish, sir.
of, yes, square root of
Finish, sir.
225. Let's
Finish,
divide
sir.
this one by, it is not divisible by 2. odd number එකක් අග තියෙනවා නම් 2 වලින් divide වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඊට පස්සේ this is divisible by 3. 3 වලින් divide වෙනව නේද? 3 වලින්
Yes, sir.
7 5 75. 75 again by 3, answer is 25. 25 divided by 5, not divisible by 3, it's 5, then again by 5 1. Then let's make groups here. This one, let's take 3 squared into 5 squared. We have to get square root. 3 squared, its root is 3. 5 squared, its root is 5.
5.
3 times 5 is 15. 15 is the square root. පුතා මේක තමයි technique එක. That's the method of finding square root. Mainly, we can use this method to find square root of a number. Now let's see how to solve a problem related to this concept, right? I will give you a sum. You please look at this. Area of a square shaped land. Square, take down this sum. Shaped land is 400 square meters, right? First question, find the length of a side. Second one, find the perimeter. Perimeter here. Please copy down this question. I'll explain it a little bit. Right, Darune? Area
Okay,
of
sir.
a square shaped land is 400 square centimeters. Find the length of a side and find the perimeter. Right? So let's see. It is a land, square shaped land. Don't know land එක කියලා හිතමු අපි. Right? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Here area of this one is given. Area of this square shaped land is 400 square meters. මෙන්න මේකලු square මේ area එක. අපි දන්නවා area is taken by multiplying two equal side if it is a square. මේක square එකක් නම් මොනවා හරි equal values දෙකක් multiply කරාම නේද මේ 400 එන්න ඕන. එකම අංකේ multiply කරාම පස්සේ තමයි එකම අංක දෙක එකම value එක දෙපාරක් multiply කරාට ඒකින්ම multiply කරාට පස්සේ තමයි මේ 400 එන්න ඕන. එතකොට මෙන්න මෙතෙන්ට එන answer එකම තමයි මෙතෙන්ට එන්නත් ඕන. අපි දැන් හිතන්න ඕන මොන අංක දෙක multiply කරාමද මේ 400 එන්නේ. 4ෙන් බෙදලා එහෙම හරියන්නේ නැහැ, right? Don't divided by 4. If the perimeter is given, we can find the length of side by dividing 4. But this is area. In this case, we have to find square root of this 400. මේ වගේ වෙලාවට මොකද්ද කරන්නේ පුතේ අපි? මේ 400 වල square root එක ගන්න. You already know how to find square root of 400 by dividing prime numbers. Let's divide by 2. What's the answer?
200.
200.
200 divided by 2. What's the answer? 100.
100.
100 divided by 2. What's the answer? 50. 50 divided by 2. What's the
50.
answer? 20.
25.
25 divided by 2 can't. 5. 5. 5 divided by 5. 1.
One.
1.
Then let's make groups. Groups 1, 2, 3. So we can find square root 2 squared, again 2 squared, then 5 squared. මේ දෙකේ දෙකේ ගොඩවල් මම squared විදිහට ලිව්වා. Then let's take square root of that square. Square root of a square is the base 2. Second square its root is 2. Third square 5 squared its root is 5. Multiply 2 times 2 4, 4 times 5. What is the answer? 20. Answer
20.
is 20 meters. ඔන්න බලන්න පුතේ 20 times 20 is 400. Length of one side is 20 meters. This is first answer. Then we can find the second answer. Second answer means perimeter. Perimeter you can find 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. What's the perimeter? 20 times 4. Perimeter is 80 meters. ඔන්න answer එක. Take down this sum, Puta, please. Then I will give another sum for you to do. Right, next sum. You take down area of a square shaped land is මෙතන වෙනස් කරගන්න. මෙන්න මේ 400 වෙනුවට දාගන්න. Area of square shaped land is 576. Find the length of a side and perimeter.
Sir, කීයද මේ area එක?
Area is 576. 576. 576 square meters. ඔන්න අලුත් ගාන. මේ කලින් ගානෙම මේ description එකේ same. Area of a square shaped land is 500 square meters. Find the length of a side. Find the perimeter. That's please change the sum. ඔගොල්ලෝ ලියා ගන්න. මේක මම කලින් එකේ කට් කරනවා.
Finish, sir.
Right. Good. Very good. What's the answer?
Finish, sir.
24 meters and 96 meters.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Here, when area given, you can find length of a side, area of a square shape land, right? Square shape, sometimes might be a land, paper, sheet, whatever thing. If it is a square shape and its area, if the area given, you can find length of a side by finding its square root, right? That's the thing. Here you have to learn. By taking square root of a area, we can have length of a side. If we know length of a side, we can find the perimeter. (576) divided by first prime number 2, it's 2, 1 remaining, 17, 8, 8. Then again by 2, 1, 4, 4. Then by 2, 72. Again by 2, 36. Again by 2, 18. 18 by 2, 9. 9 by 3, 3. 3 by 3, 1. Now let's arrange couples squared like this. If it is a perfect square, always we can have squared. 2 squared into 2 squared into 2 squared into 3 squared. From each squared, you take one base. 2, this square 2, and third square base is 2, root is 2, then this root is 3. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3 is 24 meters. This is the length of one side of the square. Then we can find perimeter. Perimeter equal length of a side multiplied by 4, because 4 such side. Perimeter is equal 16, 4, 8, 9, 96 meters. Please correct these things. හරිද දරුවනේ? Right. ඔන්න තව එකක් දැන් මම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට yes. X squared. What is the square root of this one? Square root of this one.
X.
X is the answer. Very good. Very good.
X.
Yes. Make a x squared into y squared. What is the square root? X squared square root?
XY.
XY.
Yes.
XY.
XY is the square root. Very good. Very good. If we have a squared, its base is the square root, right? That's the thing. Right. Let's see another one. This one. 3 times 2 times 3 times 2. What is the square root of this one?
6.
We have to arrange squares, right?
6.
Yes, 3. You can see 3 squared, 3 into 3, 3 squared, 2 into 2, 2 squared. Then you take base. What is it? 3 from this square to 2 times 3, 6 is the answer, right? Like this. You please take this one. Take down this example. And next one for you. 5 squared, x squared, m squared. Find the square root of this one.
Finish, sir.
Yes, okay.
Finish, sir.
Hmm.
Finish,
Right.
sir.
Yes. Okay. Here you take 5 squared. Its root is 5. X is squared. Root is x. M squared. Root is m. Answer is 5xm. Square root of this one is 5xm. We can find square root of whatever number like this. එක මිනිට් එකයි තියෙන්නේ අපිට කට් වෙන්න. ඒ අතරේ මේක ලියාගමුකෝ. 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Find the square root.